Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. I went over to CVS today, and I just determined in my heart that I was going to just get some detergent, and basically that's all I did get. All right, so these are the items that I bought. I bought the Bounce, and each one was $4.99, and this is the one I got. It has 80 sheets in it. And I bought the Downy Unstoppables. It was $4.99 for each one. Sorry, $4.94 for each one. And I bought the Tide, and the Tide was not on sale this week, but the sign was up and it said $5.94 for all of these Tides, and it had this one listed. And when I got to the cash register, it did not ring up as $5.94. It rang up as $10.94, something like that. And it did it a couple of times. And so I went back. I told the cashier, I said, wait, cancel this. Let me go back and just check the sign just to make sure that I was right with the price. So sure enough, I went back and the sign did say $5.94. You buy $30 worth, you were gonna get $10 back in extra care bucks. So as I was walking back to the cashier, something said, read the sale date on that sign. So the sale date said July 5th through the 11th. So that's what the problem was. It was the wrong date on there. However, they had to acknowledge it because that sign was still up, and I thought that I was getting the sale. So, of course, they acknowledged the sale. She corrected the price of the Tide from $10.94 to $5.94, and then when she made the corrections, then she had to print out my extra care bucks of $10, but that was fine with me because it's still the same thing. I could still spend it. So she had to force print it out, and I got it force printed out. Let me just let you see my receipt here. Okay. There's everything. You see that? See that? These are the coupons I used. I had a care pass of $10 on the card, and CVS manufactured coupons. I had $13 in extra care bucks. That's what that is. $13 in extra care bucks. I paid $8.64 before tax, and received that $10 back. So this was a great price for me. 82% savings, and I saved $40.10 just from buying this here. Okay. So this was my last haul, my only haul from CVS. All right. Okay, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Okay. Good night.